Good morning, good morning. Morning.
How are you doing today?
Good. Surprisingly. Yourself? Good weekend? Long weekend?
I spent damn near all week. Well, I came back yesterday, I think, but I went out Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays at the river. And
Good to get
part of
away, huh?
Oh yeah,
What's up with AMC? We have some news or what?
no,
Oh, AMC Theaters announced new Labor Day weekend admission record. I think that's why we're moving pre-market. Attendance during Labor Day weekend finishes ahead of 2019 Labor Day weekend. First time since reopening, the company finishes with higher attendance than the same weekend in 2019. No surprise there.
yeah, they keep trying to compare everything. Yeah, I give up on them. It's almost like 2020 didn't exist, and I kind of agree that trying to compare it to 2019, but it's almost like they're going back and picking information. Next, it'll be better than 2018, 2017, 2016. It'd be better than 1911. Okay.
They did that with the earnings
I know
a
they
couple weeks
did.
ago, too.
And I'm like, guys, you can't be sitting there doing that shit. It would look better if you just said, we did better than 2020. You know, shit. They can't do any worse than 2020.
Sava pulled back to 45 pre-market. I'm kind of not shocked there. Let's see. I think Tesla was moving aggressively today too. 749. Damn.
I know.
$100 from
I
where we
was
bought.
watching Tesla this morning going, oh, damn. Is it going to 8?
This chart on the daily is just beautiful. It's probably in the hill to 800. Oh man. Apple's the next one and we're hoping for 160. Set an alert on this. What were the other stocks we were watching last week? VVIG was one of them. Support SPRT.
Spurt.
Let's see, Sport. What price are we at for that? Not doing too bad. Guys, Morantz is back. He's
Well, he's
driving.
home. He's out of the hospital, thank God, and he's that's a good thing because one of the people I lost to COVID, they went to the hospital with pneumonia, and they never treated the pneumonia, and he died. So
Wait, school's. I'm assuming Morantz is taking his kids to school right now.
I would bet not. I bet the kids are all supposed to stay home from school too.
Now he's in the chat.
What?
He put driving.
Moron!
Oh.
I'm gonna ban him. I'm gonna no.
Conan William. What's Bitcoin at? I know Bitcoin was getting hyped up over the weekend. I think it was like
Yeah, it was up over the
52K.
weekend and started selling off pre-market.
51. Yeah, it is pulling back.
And it was up over 52, and then it pulled back to just above 50 this morning. So it's doing its normal weekly thing.
I feel like it's a weird morning.
Good morning, William.
It is Tuesday, yeah. We have a short week this week. Go to AMC. I feel like time is just frozen right now. It feels very weird. Let's go to Ortex. See what AMC's at. Because we were at 19 or 18. Yeah, 18.96 SI. Let's go to GameStops. 12%. SPRT is showing 75 still. Kyoto says new hype stock is VIH. Is this another Wall Street Bets pump?
Yeah, they're calling themselves Vikings or some shit.
Really? I need to look into
I
this.
think I think actually
Vikings?
I think Kyoto made that one up.
No,
but
look.
he was serious. The people that the people that are holding support were calling themselves Spartans.
Call themselves bag holders. That's what they
Are
need to
you
call
serious,
themselves.
kid? Are they really calling themselves
That's
Vikings?
funny. I like that one. VIH is what the hodlers are calling themselves. I feel like every stock
Um,
has their name now. The AMC Apes, the VIH Vikings. But this is actually moving. Look from last Thursday. There was some volume on this. Let's set our alerts. If no alerts go off, then it's a quiet day. But so far, we're not looking too bad on AMC. 46 resistance. Not gonna get excited till we see 50s again or high 48s. No, I made that up. But I bet it catches on. I believed it.
you should go. You should go. Post that in there.
See what they say. Nasdaq Composite Index hits a record high.
Morning, Pam.
Yep, we hit a new high. SPY is actually selling off. Bloody Tuesday, huh?
When it opened, looked like the market was kind of red.
Tesla 753. Kathy, what did you see? Kathy, what's price target?
What? 1,000 or some shit. Or
3,000.
3,000? 3,000?
Up. And Elon said if they, I forgot what he
Okay.
tweeted.
All right. I want to see a copy of this email. I don't need somebody sitting there saying, "Oh, email." No, that's not a source. I'm sorry. Twitter is not a source.
I have a new favorite meme. Look, I have a new favorite meme. I was kind of trolling some people on Twitter over the weekend. What is it? Where's this meme at? I think I found it on Reddit. It's this one. When they ask for a source. Where's this from? Is this like a movie or a cartoon? He's like, I made it up. I like this one. I feel like this is perfect, the perfect meme to describe what's going on with Reddit. With a lot of the DD. Source, I made it up. Bitcoin's pulling back. That gives me, we're one step closer to my opportunity on Cardano.
Good morning, Almo. I'll be back. I go get some coffee.
Absolutely. No worries.
I got you on speaker, so.
Morning, Ruben. Morning, Elmo. Tomato Tuesday. Everyone feels like a tomato. Maybe if I get my booster shot. What's going on, Pam?
I was so lazy
Another
yesterday. I
Adam Aaron
didn't bother
tweet?
to,
Another Adam Aaron tweet? Let's see.
I got that damn bot muted.
How about this wonderful news in the US? AMC theaters. Oh yeah, we read this already. This is why AMC was moving up pre-market. Look at this. Last setback in 2013. We just talked about this right now. I cannot make this up. 2013. The first time we beat the pre-pandemic numbers.
Okay, like I say, he's going to go back to 1911 eventually.
Somebody tagged Gasparino on here. What did you say, little guy? Question mark. Oh, did you see this? Someone actually caught Roaring Kitty at some event, some charity event, I think.
Yeah, I heard about that. It was a run of some kind, and he's also donating some money to athletic center. If I caught the rumors correctly.
Some people were saying that that was not him. That was a lookalike. AMC New
Why
High.
he's always. I mean, he was a runner in college. I couldn't see why he wouldn't go do that.
Oh, he's running college.
Yeah,
I did
he
not
was
know
in
that.
track.
Let's see AMC. Third time's a charm, guys. If we retest
So,
48, did we break this
so,
time?
so William, you're saying it's a meme?
What? The Doctor Manhattan from a movie? Oh, that meme? Oh, you're right. Doctor Manhattan, fictional character. This is it.
So more miss. Oh, that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got some alerts all at the same time. That's odd. BBIG coming down. Which one was the other one? Spur and Apple. Spur also tanking out of nowhere.
Oh, go figure.
And Apple 155 new high.
I thought you set your alert for 160.
No. I
No,
do
so
have a
no.
160 price target on this.
Yeah, no,
Once it broke,
you were
once
looking
it,
at
hmm?
you were looking at 160 to short it.
Yeah, once it broke 150, it's just probably gonna fly to 160. It's already at 155, so we'll wait. Tesla 755. Spy's pulling back though. William, leave my Apple alone. It'll come back. VIH is tanking too. No, I don't. It's still green. It's still up 10%.
Can't make up his mind. It's ripping, it's tanking, it's ripping, it's tanking. Yeah, okay, it's trading just like any other pump and dump. Okay.
This is, this is what I would consider tanking. AMC 47. Were we just at 46 on this? Nice. We're getting closer to 48, baby. Take here
Where it
off.
will
What's
do
going
it,
on?
where it will do its dutiful thing and bounce off.
Third time's a charm. KPLT. Catapult. I don't know much about this stock. Well, actually, I don't know anything.
That's ugly.
Catapult. What? It filled a gap though. It came down from 9 all the way to 3 and it had a massive gap to fill when it already closed it. Is this another highest I play? KPLT. This is a good name for a stock. And look at this catapult. Kathy Wood, Arc drops all the above positions. See, this is exactly what Sava needs to do. Baba bounced off 152 all the way up to the 180 level. That's what we need. We need a rip like that. Moran says GME update 209. 209. The high being what, 220 or
Oh, he,
230?
he, he's driving and can't look at the chart. So you have to, yeah, you do
Yeah,
have to shout it out to him.
yeah, 219. We're
Wh-
still looking good. We're still looking solid. AMC's getting a
Why he,
little ahead of itself.
why he's driving is beyond me.
Um, yeah, Nasdaq's the leading one today.
Marantz, it was good seeing your message last night, but dude, just stop. Rest up, brother.
He just has that drive, you know.
Uh,
He can't just be at home laying down. I think he's like that type of person that he has to just keep on going, you know. Saw his video last night.
uh,
I was hearing it when I was driving too. Spies pulling back. 451.
I want to see it go down to 251.
Good buy opportunity, huh?
Be a good buy opportunity across the board.
Guys, remember we talked about on the 19th is usually when we see a pullback to the DMA. What is that? Like next Monday or 2 weeks from
Wait
now?
a, wait a minute. Match just went into to The Fortune 500. Isn't the SPY the Fortune 500?
Who?
Match?
Is that like the dating website?
Yeah. And I mean, they were up
No.
like 14. They were up like $14 today.
What's the ticker?
MTCH, if I remember correctly.
It was trading at 148 last week. It went to 170 pre-market. Oh yeah, to join the S&P 500 effective September 20.
Right.
Hmm. VIX is up 9%. Mm, mm, mm. Go back to AMC. GameStop 207, AMC 46.
I'm going to regret doing this.
Well, you're gonna buy Dogecoin?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
I'm going to go look at the heat map. I haven't logged into
All
my
right, here we go.
Windows
I'll put it on
Chrome.
here. I don't think it's updated though. Or is it? There we go.
Yeah, it's not that red.
So we have earnings tomorrow for GameStop.
Uh-huh. And you're streaming from bell to bell and then even after. So,
I'll do after. What is it? What time is it at? 4 p.m. Central?
Eastern, I think. No,
Central.
it's 5 p.m. It's an hour after close.
Mm,
So it would be
5 p.m. Eastern.
5 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Central then, yeah.
Let's do that then.
Yeah, bell to bell. Cool.
No, after hours. Cool.
I heard bell to bell, and I'm pretty sure everybody else did too.
There's no bell to bell anymore.
You wimp.
Maybe when AMC's like a freaking $300 or something. We'll bust a bell to bell. What's going on, Monster Buddy?
Ravenstown, they cannot even be put up for vote on that. They have not been profitable for 4 quarters.
David, there is only bell to bell. What's going on, a Second King? There's only like a couple other YouTubers who do. I don't even think Matt Kors does bell to bell anymore, right? I think he stopped doing bell to bell.
Who?
Matt Kors, because of his mental health, I think he said it because it is like just you're sitting down for a couple hours, like just
So I sit down for a couple hours every day.
that's what I'm telling you, brother.
All
You
day.
should stream. People would watch you. There's people who would probably do bell to bell too. Who would watch you?
Oh man,
Like Morant's
nobody
probably
would
has his
like
like
me.
five. Oh, there goes AMC new high 47.16.
Nobody likes me, and nobody would like me. Trust me on that one.
That's what I thought when I came on before the whole AMC thing. Look what happened.
Yeah, you sold your AMC,
Morant,
and look at
Morant,
how fast did people turn on you?
before that, Morant said he's going to bell to bell. Look, there we go. Morant is going to bell to bell. Robert would ban his whole channel.
I just might. Oh, angry knows me.
No, Godpill did that. Godpill would
It's
ban
like,
all his
why are you
subs.
being so stupid? Goodbye. Except I won't use the language that Godpill used. Jesus, that boy. Oh,
And he's still
wow.
around. I'm actually liking that new guy you guys told me about. That looks like Godpill. Astro, I think is his name.
Oh yeah, I guess I think that did I even pull him up ever? I don't think I did.
Clover. Clover's back on the map. It's
Well, it was being talked about in Wall Street Bets. So yeah.
This is like the third time it's gotten rejected at 10. It's a 954. Is this the fourth time it breaks 10 and it goes to like 12, $13 again?
Okay, Matt. No, wait, that wasn't Matt.
Uh-oh.
That was Trey. Oh yeah, when it hits a fourth time, it always goes through.
That's BS. Stock doesn't have to do what you think it would do, you know? Stock could do whatever it wants. Like you hit
That's well,
the 10th
but
time and it could.
that's why he's saying he made $1 million off of his options, which in reality I think he sold his shares. But hey, what do I know?
This was the guide pill video that I found him. Let me see. Hold on, let me see. Can you guys hear? Oh no, you guys can't. Hold on, give me a second. Oh,
don't think someone's going to refinance AMC? You really think they're going to say 6 billion or bankruptcy in 2026? You really think I care about what AMC is going to do in 2026 when we're talking about a fucking squeeze? So my biggest problem about all this is Trey Trades is the biggest AMC supporter on the YouTube, and he told everyone to vote no. Now he's saying he did the wrong thing, and he's considering voting yes.
Just by doing so.
mm-hmm. Hello, test. Wait, can you talk really quick?
Oh,
Oh, there we go. Hey, how it does this stuff.
it's all right.
Badback says I'm only one that gets the feeling that the whole group of people on Astro's stream are guys who failed general math in school but now supposed to have cracked the complex trading algorithm of hedgies. I haven't tuned into one of his streams. I have seen his tweets and his videos, and I think he does have a small, like, loyal group. But I don't know. Oh, you're talking about the video that, I mean, the video that went, like, kind of viral over the weekend about that one guy, Keith, he had, right? Yeah, they're idiots over there. I don't know. See, I don't know. I haven't seen the streams, but that's where the that's where it originated from. Did you see that video? That was all over
Nope.
like Wall Street Bets and like GameStonk and SuperStonk.
I haven't watched any of his videos.
He brings on a guy, right?
I think they linked it Friday or Thursday, and I still don't know that I ever pulled it up.
Kyoto's the one who actually linked me to that video. They have a Keith. He brought on a guy named Keith, and he talks about how he can read the stock. Like he predicted the stock price and the price
Oh,
movement.
wait a minute. Okay, I did see that. That's the guy who was sitting there saying they're sending signals like a
Yes.
47, and that means if it's in a bracket, blah blah blah. That's the price it's gonna. Oh, good
Well,
God.
he was reading this, the level 2. So I think he was looking at the bit size being 10s. Or I'm not. I don't remember quite
Yeah, that's
exactly
what he
what it
was
was.
talking about.
10, right?
But
So
it was inside some kind of bracket, blah 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 blah, and it's like, come
like, bro,
on.
look how fast this moves. Like I can't keep up with this. It moves too fast. I might be
And
slow, but it's just
I'm sorry, but a text message, a phone call, probably a little easier, even though it does leave a trail.
right. So he thinks he's a stock whisperer. Hey, but I think he predicted the price move into the exact cent, like 10 times that stream.
No, he's inside the matrix. He sees it.
What if he is the hedgie? Have you ever thought about that? What if he is the hedge
Oh,
fund?
good theory.
Huh? Have you ever thought about that? The numbers talk to him. That's what I used to say. The stock talks to me. Oh, what do we got? Spurt falling. Wah, wah, wah. We're in the red now, -3% on this. This is coming back down to 15, baby. He's an agent.
Yeah,
He probably works with Kramer. Or maybe it's Jim Kramer with like the voiceover machine. Have you ever thought about that?
I think you missed the reference.
Oh, what?
The Matrix, and an agent.
Oh, William would always talk about the agents of Kramer.
Hey, where is Kramer? Where is your uncle?
I don't know. He's probably live on CNBC right now. I haven't even
No,
pulled
he's
up
not.
CNBC
I'm
in so
watching it.
long.
He hasn't been on. He hasn't been on CNBC in a while.
They're gonna fire him. Somebody said they deleted all his YouTube videos on there. They're
I
talking
read
about
that too.
Amazon, man. Is Amazon still having its crazy rally? Hmm. Look at this nasty rip from 3,200. Amazon needs to split.
There's talk about that. There's rumors kicking around.
So that's a
But yeah, I agree
756.
with you. It does. It needs to go through a split.
He's hiding out on his ranch.
Wait, he's got to be the one sitting there saying, "No, no, everything's fine."
That's Bill Ackman. Mad Money vids, but not everything is gone. Let's see his tweets. He doesn't even tweet anymore. I remember he would always troll the AMC and GameStop people. He'd always piss him off. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. Mr. Fauci.
Oh God.
Mac Miller. I guess he died on September 7th, third anniversary. Caitlyn Jenner. George Washington. 18% of Americans. That's interesting. Oh, 18% of Americans have personally invested in NFTs, while 22% know someone who has made a purchase. We can read the algo, but how helpful is it? Seriously, I don't know. Maybe it's very useful for day traders and swing traders, but when you're talking about apes that diamond hand, they don't trade, they hold forever, they don't sell, then it's useless. Didn't Kramer also go missing right before the crash started in 2008? I don't know. Did you recall anything about that, Rob?
I didn't ever like Kramer even back then, so wouldn't know, wouldn't care. I just wish he would disappear altogether.
Oh, he's already. Your wish is coming true.
If only.
Rip, rip what, William? I'm confused.
Apple maybe?
Heat
I
map
don't
check.
know. I mean, it's up $1.25. I don't know that's a rip, but I mean, yeah. Oh, unless it's his doggy thing,
Oh,
his
Mac
doggy
Miller.
thing.
I read it as like rip as in the stock, not rest in peace. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me she's gonna get rejected at 47, 47 today. We need to see a test of 48. Let that be the catalyst. Labor Day. That's the catalyst. That's the Moass catalyst. Moass.
And for Morant's 206.60.
Opposite day today.
69.
They're both green. I take that as a good day. Here comes a new high on AMC. Here comes a new high. It's only 10 cents away. Come on. Even Kramer knows it's coming. That's why every episode of his show for the past 4 months, he touted that he sold his big. He never said he sold his Bitcoin, did he? That he bought a truck and a ranch.
I don't know if Darth is trolling him or not. Maybe he's trolling you because Kramer's your uncle. I don't know.
I mean, he'd tell me if he bought Bitcoin, you know? He'd be like, yo, buy Bitcoin right now. We're gonna pump it. AMC's greener than fresh grass.
Yeah, but you're not. You said you won't buy Bitcoin at this level.
It's greener than, huh? No, absolutely not.
And like my normal, my normal bearish self, whatever level you say you're going to buy at, I'm going to pick like, 15, 20,000 under that. So
20,000% under. Salva, 50. It's back alive. It's about to go from red, from deep in the trenches, 45.80 pre-market, to nearly green. There we go. We're in the green. Salva's coming back. Let's see. Any more rumors on this stock?
of course, let's see, there was another statement Friday by the CEO, and of course, there's going to be all sorts of the attorneys' notices that all the ambulance chasers jumping on for whatever.
Hmm.
But
B.
I think that
Riley.
might, it's just I'm not worried about Salva. I got back in at 49.88, I think, something like that. Only like 200 shares.
B. Riley lowered the price tag on that. And I think that's why we had that pre-market plunge. Bitcoin coming back down to 43K.
In that case, I'm saying
43.
13.
$43. I
Ooh,
bought
I like your price better.
I just bought 300 shares of ATER, says Eric. Why?
Because it was pumped on WSB.
I'm just trying to figure it out, literally. I mean, there was a gap here to close, and it honored that. It closed that gap. I'm just trying to figure out why why you guys make certain purchases. Ortex, high SI. No, I'm not saying it to like be a dick. I just want to find out. Oh, yeah, it is another high SI play. Look at this. 66% SI.
If you believe Litex.
Well, SPRT was still in the 60s and it had that crazy rally. This is showing, what's a float?
Good luck, Eric. Actually, ATR, I think, is a low float. I think it was like, what was it, Eric? 11 million or something like that.
He says he bought in at 689. He's still green though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hopefully this squeezes for you.
I mean, if you're playing the SI play, then, 50% profit. Time to, cash out most of it. Let the rest ride. My bet, what I would do. All right, Morantz, 208.52 for GME.
Rob with the classic why whenever someone says not trying to be a dick, usually that comment was preceded by a dickish comment. I didn't see it that way until you guys were saying all the laughing emojis in the chat. CRVS was another Y play.
It was a Morantz Y
All right, but
play.
this one went up though, I think. I said it wasn't gonna go up. When was this?
Yeah.
Like $2? When we're talking about
Well,
this, when Rance brought it up?
Morantz bought it at 201.5, and it's 275 right now. So he's up. I mean, the morning it doesn't look so hot.
I'll probably take like 10 minutes to actually buy and sell. Because there's no
I mean,
trades on here. Look at this.
I'm looking at this chart, and I'm like, oh my God, look at all those dashes.
Imagine just watching this like 275. Oh, 274. It's down 1 penny. And just waiting. Look
And
at this. Look at the order. One order at 278.
I know. I'm sitting there looking at this. I'm like, and I've got it on 1 day, 1 minute, and I'm just seeing a bunch of flat, 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 flat. I see a couple of candles, but everything's flat. I'm like, oh my God, nothing's moving on this thing. This is ugly.
AMC new high.
I mean, he's making money, but hey,
That's all that matters.
that's true. I mean, it's no different than, Eric's. It's just, as long as you're making money, that's a good thing.
I wonder what Michael Burry thinks about Bitcoin.
He thinks it's going to like 0.
Because that 30K, I mean, he was wrong. I was wrong too. I thought it was going to come down under 30K. Never did.
Look, he's pretty darn certain, and I kind of agree with it. Once the big banks are in it, it's just a rug pull away. But right now they're making money off of it and laundering money, so it's got a little bit of life left.
All the Bitcoin bulls on Twitter are screaming 100K this year.
They were screaming 100K back in February or March.
Seems like the cycle theory didn't happen this time unless we shoot up to 350 by tomorrow. The cycle theory?
Yeah,
What theory is that? Cycle
that's
theory.
the 3-month, the 60-day cycles on the
Swaps?
the swaps.
Oh, okay, no wonder it sounded familiar. They already did the rug pull. That was the Doge drop. Yeah, Doge went to like 13 cents. Now it's back to like 30 cents, no?
I thought 27 or 29.
Uh-oh,
Yeah, it's close enough
Vikings.
to 30.
The Vikings are sinking to 28 cents. Which stock gets halted first? This or Spurt? Uh-oh. You got the support there, 1150s.
Is it going to break?
It
Is it going
wants
to
to
break?
break, but it's bouncing. Oh, it broke. 1140. It's still green on it today, surprisingly. No Vikings. 1130.
Kyoto probably, YOLO'd into Vikings.
Oh, Trey just tweeted about the fourth test. We were talking about that like what, 20
Uh-huh.
minutes ago. He just tweeted this a couple seconds ago. The fourth 4850 test is on the horizon.
Get ready.
It's been pretty
Get
damn
ready to
accurate so far. Let's see if the shooting average continues. So what is this, like the third time this is gonna test? He says the fourth. But in the last 2 weeks or so, this is the third actually. He's probably looking at it back from like mid-July levels too. Nope, we're pulling back. Is it just me or every time that trade tweets, AMC pulls back? That's one thing I'm just starting to notice. It's not even like trolling the guy, like literally. Like every time he tweets, the stock pulls back. Like the majority of the times, like 90% of the times.
Well, that's okay. Every time you end the stream, we go GME goes up.
See, that's beautiful. That's the
So
way it should be. It's like they have like some algorithm on his tweets. WMC has a huge potential to skyrocket. Uh, Someone replied, "Don't be too excited. We are still holding and going against the most corrupt stock market right now. No rules applied," and he spelled rules so wrong. For me, I am just holding with diamond balls of steel.
how can you spell that? How can you spell rules wrong?
He spelled it RULSE,
Oh my God.
unless that's a different word. See, the RSI is pretty overbought. Blah blah blah. So that's like the magic holy number. 4850s. I would agree. That's some easy technical analysis there.
Okay, so every time it hits 48.50, go ahead and buy some puts. Okay.
They're probably too expensive. WMC, huh? You guys are trying to the new AMC? Stock is not even moving. You guys know this is the barcode stock.
It's moving better than CRVS.
They
Got
look the
more
same.
volume.
Let's take a look at Vortex AMC data. Maybe it doesn't show me 100%. It's FUD. It's 18.98 still. You guys think we test 4850s today, guys? We're not looking too bad today. We actually have somewhat of a good catalyst, a fundamental catalyst.
What best attendance since 2013
Since
or
2002, since
Max?
2002.
Oh God.
I'm just messing with you. 2019. More than 2 million people, and I actually did believe that. The other day I passed by the AMC. What day was it? Like 2 days ago. And every time I pass by the AMC, I just glance at the parking lot because there's like an Outback Steakhouse right across the street from there. So I just glanced at the parking lot to see if it's packed, and it was packed.
You need to go to Outback Steakhouse there and see if they've got the same portion size or if you get those LA portion
I'm
sizes.
telling you, LA, you get some appetizers to give you 3 microwaved mozzarella sticks, and they charge you like $12 for it. In Texas, it's like half the price, and they double your portion sizes, triple. 2 million people. But isn't Outback like the lowest end of steakhouse? Like of a steakhouse? Outback. I don't think I've ever been there.
Outback's actually good.
Really?
Yeah, you're going there for the let's see, what is it, gator tail?
No, I've never been there.
I mean, Texas land and cattle's better, but Outback's not bad.
Man, I'm telling you, Ralph, UPST has one of the prettiest charts on the street. I don't know if you're messing with me right now. Oh man, 52-week highs. Someone brought this up.
Probably Darth.
No, the ticker looks familiar. Such a beautiful rip. Man, where are these plays hiding before their 52-week highs? Drool, Texas Land and Cattle.
What doing, AMC?
The tweet curse, man. That's the Trey tweet pullback. Outback is part of Bloomin' Brands. Well, that means it's good. See, I didn't know that. I brought it up a couple weeks ago. No wonder it looked familiar. Papacitos? What is that?
Oh, it's a Mexican restaurant. It's actually pretty good too. Texas has
Oh
some great
boy.
Texas has some great restaurants.
Boomer Jacks? I'll never forget that day. We should have done.
Boomer Jack's was not a great restaurant. It's a bar.
We should have went. We should have done the interview, guys. They were interviewing all the apes that were there after the event, the AGM for GameStop. We should have had Rob on there.
Why?
I don't know.
I think that's what got Pink Cats on Acid kicked off of the Super Stomp was she gave an interview.
She got banned.
Well, there was some other drama involved in it, but I think that was pretty much the start of it all. And she started GME Jungle or something.
Boomer Jacks is the hood Hooters. AMC at 47, sitting lovely.
Wait a
If it
minute, there
holds
was
47, we're gonna
no
rip tomorrow.
we didn't have cute waitress. What the hell is hood Hooters? They didn't have shorts. They didn't have to. What the hell are you talking about? I'll never go to that place again.
There is a hood. Boomer Jacks. It was actually pretty decent. Holding 47, guys. We're holding 47. I have a feeling we retest 48.50s today or tomorrow. Ruben says he likes Bob's Steakhouse. You see the Cowboys there all the time.
Marantz is going to stop tuning
I'm
into
driving,
you
right?
if you focus solely on AMC. He's going to stop listening to you.
Gamestop 207.
207-5577. It's one of the 4 digits.
207 flat now. Well, it's not moving too aggressively either. It's holding above 200 though.
It's just bouncing. It's just bouncing sideways. Little up, little down, little up, little down.
Oh man. Boomer Jackson knockouts are definitely. I forgot about knockouts. I have to go to the car wash. What time do they open?
Why didn't you go yesterday?
It was closed.
Y'all don't have manual car washes out there, where you put quarters in?
I'm not trying to do that. Cause I don't know how to do it properly. I always
You don't know how to wash a car?
I don't want to get the rags and dry it. Every time we used to just wash it like that when we were just like on crunch time or time crunch, whatever. You would always do. There's a setting on there that has like the light sprink or the light wash, so it doesn't leave all
Yeah,
the
it's
water
called-
stains.
Right, it's called the final rinse.
Exactly the final rinse, and I would just drive off like that. But you'd still be able to see it, especially it's hot out here in Cali right now. It's super hot, and they dry up like this, and it just leave watermarks all over. I just rather pay the $25. What we looking like as a target for the GOAT AMC for the GOAT? We'll settle that question on Friday. Tesla 760 today, or to answer your question, Mr. Crypto, we're looking for $50. Who cares if it breaks 48.50? If it can't break 50, then that's a problem. Yeah, Tesla's not stopping. What the hell?
I'm kind of in agreement with Almo. 48.50 is the goal. It's got to get up there and break through it.
Yeah.
It's bounced off it a lot, so
Look at Tesla go, man. It's not stopping. Where's the pullbacks at? If this doesn't retest $48.50, I'm gonna be disappointed.
why on earth are you Morantz? Oh, good Lord.
He's going live, baby.
I hope the hedge fund is home because I'm gonna be talking to her, trying to get her to beat you over the head.
I'm gonna tune in on that one for sure.
No joke. I want to see the frying pan upside the head, or the chunk will come flying from across the room.
So we're gonna end it here then.
No, he wants you to give him 29. He wants you to give 29 more minutes.
Trying to be the first into the wash. I'm gonna be waiting and watching more. I'm watching more rants. Clover's definitely some sort of coordinator pumping them today. People on Wall Street are talking about how people started spamming YOLOs. Some of them were posted by multiple accounts, have 27 shares since the last SQ
Squeeze,
or squeeze.
even though it should
Uh,
be P and D, but
I was like, what
because
is
that's all it
SQ?
really is pump and dump.
Now GameStop can rip.
Yeah,
Rough wants to end the stream. I'm telling
Keith
you.
just logged in, and you just said you were about to end the. So good job, Keith.
Wait, is this the same Keith that was on Astro stream talking about the level 2? Right.
Probably.
Hmm. Not looking too bad. I think I'm actually more interested in watching tests. Oh, 760 already. I can't believe this.
Man,
Remember
you-
when we were trading this $100 ago at 650?
yeah.
Oh shit.
I remember buying at 680, and because you were talking about buying. I remember buying at 680, and then you wait till 650. I'm like, you sorry son of a gun. And it continues on down to 550. I had to hold on to that damn thing just to break even. I waited for it to come back up because I knew it'd come back up eventually, but I was pissed.
Manual car washes scratches your paint? Yes, it depends on the brush too.
You got electricity yet, Keith? Or are you still up running on a generator?
VVIG coming down. Whew. What do you know? 765.
Where did it start at? Like $3 or $4, something like that? No, way lower. $3. Yeah. It'll be back
A
down there
dollar.
before
It
long.
was at $1 last year. $1. AMC still holding 47. Gamestop 206. If you don't ever wash your car, the dirt protects your paint pretty well. And saves money on car washes.
Damn, sorry to hear that, Keith.
I know you guys are gonna probably cringe, but one time we took a yellow Ferrari and we did the scrub on it. With the scrub. I never scratched it.
Well, if you want to scratch it, you still will when you wash it.
If you've got Bitcoin, you've got time. I would love to see 18% of Americans try to explain what an NFT is. The JPEG.
I won't even try.
I've seen that, Elmo. I saw that too. Here comes AMC. 4740s again. See, I'm gonna get excited if this actually breaks 4850s like in the next hour or so. Maybe when we end the stream.
Wait, Elmo. the ruler of the PC police actually did that? I think they've lost all credibility.
I don't even go on Facebook anymore. Like Facebook and Snapchat are like to me the lowest tier social media platforms there are. TikTok also on there. TikTok is too addicting. I had to delete TikTok.
Never had TikTok, so I don't care.
It's just too addicting. I had to delete it. I'm like, I'm gonna get addicted to this. I'm gonna waste a lot of time. Let's just delete it.
I mean, isn't all TikTok is those people doing those little dance
Sure.
thingy, dance videos,
That's how I think it
whatever?
originated. I remember when there was like, I think I don't even know if the reach on that is organic still, but I think like like a year and a half ago, I posted a car video on there and it got like 500,000 views. I was like, wow, because the reach was just so organic. Like when a lot of these social media platforms start like that, your reach is crazy. But now I think like a month after I tried to post another video, I didn't get a lot of views. That's the benefit of being early on a social media platform like that. A lot of people got famous off of it. A lot of people made a lot of money off of that. But that's how it originated with a lot of dance videos. But now it's anything. Now there's stock videos on there, bro. There's people explaining Dogecoin videos on there. AMC. That's where that one video came out.
I thought TikTok like limited you on the length of the message.
Yeah, it's like a minute, no?
Yeah, how can you explain anything in a minute?
Well, they do it very fast. They do it very quick. That's why it's so addicting. It's very short. Humans have very short time spans. Gardenom, not yet. GameStop is still sitting at 206. Not a lot of volume. My lady has over 355,000 followers on TikTok. Shit's crazy. It is. It is. If I would have probably stuck with it, I probably would have had a lot of followers, but I was just like, nah.
I thought 355
Yeah.
she could be an influencer, a paid influencer.
A lot.
or
Yeah,
something
if you
like
post
that.
consistently, you'll get a lot of followers on there. I'm telling you, the reach is so pure and organic. Hopefully that doesn't change.
Yeah, I would only have followers that were assholes like me.
There's a niche for everything. McDonald's is now accepting Bitcoin. What? Oh no, Salvador. Huddle Adore. That's what they're calling it. She gets all kinds of deals with makeup brands. I'm telling you. You got followers, you got power. You have influence, you have power. They have up to 3-minute videos now? Really?
Again, you can't explain jack in 3 minutes.
I'm telling you, they explain it really fast. That's where we saw this one video on TikTok about some lady who bought AMC. She's like, I bought AMC because it was going to 2,000. You don't remember?
Nope, never watched it.
Look, I'll show you a 30-second TikTok. AMC stock to the moon. 14,000 views. Look at this. Watch. Just take a look.
14,001 now, huh?
No, this is just 14,000 on the YouTube video. I don't know how much on the...
Can I help you, sir?
Okay, take a look at this. Me after investing all my money into AMC.
Can I help you, sir? I'm just making sure the theaters are running smoothly. Do you work here? Let's just say I'm a partial owner. I'm the money. Don't you come in every Saturday night with your mom? Not anymore. You keep up the good work. One more thing. Drop the M. What? It's cleaner.
Alright, this one was whatever's. I seen that one. That was a better one. There was a guy who went in his underwear into AMC. I think he made a bet that if AMC hit a certain price, he'd go in his underwears.
3 movie theater hacks you didn't know about. Before each shift, each employee hides 1 gift card around the whole theater for guests to find. I think I'm gonna hide mine right
This guy says the employees hide 1 gift card.
there. If you tell the person taking your ticket, welcome back to the movies before they can even take your ticket, you'll get a free membership. Hello, welcome to the movies.
Oh, you beat me. Well, here's your free membership.
Thank you.
Is this true?
And lastly, who wants to pay $5 for a bag of candy you can get for $1? You don't even have to sneak it in. You can just bring it on in. None of us will even care.
You see? I'm telling you, you can sneak in food and they don't care. Can I bring, someone commented, can I bring a case of beer for myself? Someone replied, absolutely not, all BS. The candy thing is not true. They don't let me bring in freaking water. It's because water isn't candy. Wait, which one is it? I can't find the other video. AMC rejected at 47.69. I still see an uptrend here, baby. I still see higher lows. I need that 50. Oh, let's look at your favorite. GameStop TikTok. We should do a little segment. Robert reacts to GameStop TikToks. TikTok memes that took GameStop and AMC to the moon. 10-minute video. I'm not watching this. You can show in 3 minutes.
They let you pick any name you want when you get down there.
And you landed on McLovin.
Let's see.
Today, Reddit actually shut down the stock market. You will not believe what happened. So basically, all the old guys
on AMC.
What was that?
I think Tesla might see 800 this week easily. No, maybe even today.
24 bucks. I can't believe this. SPRT. New low. What do you know? I wonder if all these other YouTubers are still pumping the stock.
I wonder if people that bought in or have exited yet.
Hopefully, man. VIX is up 11%. Moran's has a TikTok. There we go.
You don't.
I think he does. He shared it on a YouTube video.
Oh,
You can
good
see
God.
the layout, the TikTok logo and his username.
If he's sitting there doing the dancing, I'm gonna have to block him.
No, he's not. He's doing like the GameStop commentary on there. The dancing. To say it's organic growth is wrong because they definitely filter keywords. Chinese company, the stock stuff was way bigger earlier this year, but they def put the brakes on it. I'm talking like a year and a half ago, Nicholas. I don't know how much has changed since I don't go on there anymore. I don't have an account. I do have my account, but I don't even use it or post anymore. Or at the beginning, it was. Like any video basically you posted, it went viral. I got a lot of views. SPRT is still tanking. Stop the madness. New low,
What?
20 bucks.
Did you buy Spurt and I don't know about it?
Absolutely not. I'll show you right now.
Then
Zero
what?
position.
Then why are you sitting there saying stop the madness? Because this was known it was going to happen.
It's going to 15, I said earlier too. That was the
Well, then why
previous
did you say
breakout level. Because it's just dumping like crazy. This is probably gonna go to 15 today. We don't know.
You mean it's dumping like it went up? Oh wow, go figure.
China spy. I YOLO'd everything on this, Rob. Please don't tell anybody.
Oh good Lord.
2044.
I don't
Moran's-
recall. Did your uncle pump this?
Absolutely not. I don't think he talked about it. I don't think Kramer talked about it. Let's see. But Matt said Spur has 90% SI. That's BS. It has like 60 something. According to Ortex.
I would bet it has a lot less than that.
I wonder what he's saying about that today.
Matt's already out, so
He must feel, I don't know how he doesn't feel bad leading people into that. Like he knows probably a lot of his audience is very young and naive. Why would he do that?
make money. Good luck, Keith.
I'll see you tomorrow, Keith. Have a good one. He is live right now.
Who is?
Matt, his chat
Oh, Matt.
said, he has to go through his chat. What are they saying about it? SPRT made a lot of backholders, says Frank. Absolutely. It's like nobody cares on there.
Well, Keith, probably going over to Marantz's channel here in a little bit. So as soon as Marantz comes back on, says he's up and running. Even though I'm still going to be hoping his wife throws a chancla at him.
Matt bought tons of calls at $12, then pumped it when SPRT went to mid-20s. I wouldn't doubt it. There's a reason behind everything, you know? That's just shady. Did he ever disclose that he bought at least? Then at least it's not bad, right?
Well, I know that, he said that he was putting it on his watch list, and then a couple of minutes later, Market Watch was reporting that he put it on his watch list.
Putting it on your watch list and buying a freaking ton of calls or shares is different.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the timing. So my guess is he already bought in.
That's shady. Now people are just left holding the bag on this. Look at the daily on this. It's coming down aggressively. My guess is it comes to $15. Uh-oh.
Matt probably changed over to puts on it by now.
I believe in karma, so.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's think about Ken Griffin. He's been going at this shit for 13 years.
It always comes back.
Yeah, if you have faith in that, boy, you got more faith than I do.
I believe it.
I think worst is going to happen to him is he's not going to be able to be associated with any type of trading, but he's still going to get to keep his billions.
Kyoto says karma is real, dude. I believe it, yup. Karma
No.
is real. You do good, good comes to you.
Angry people that want revenge are real.
Karma. Oh, what did he say? Let me scroll up. Gardenum says karma doesn't really apply to this life, according to Hinduism. I feel a lawsuit coming to Matt. I'll bet $20 on it. I don't think lawsuit. Everything balances out. Well, I think of it as just energy. The energy you're putting out there comes back to you like that. It's like your mindset. Your mindset's like a frequency.
I'm gonna scroll. I'm gonna rewind back to Ken Griffin.
It'll come. It'll come.
Maybe when he dies and goes to hell, maybe.
Like I'm probably gonna have to save this stream or this part where we talk about karma. So when the future comes, I'll be like, this is the clip, man.
Do it.
You'll be surprised everybody files lawsuits for anything nowadays. Rob is even falling for it. Tesla to 800. Let's see.
I'm not buying in, but I wouldn't be the least bit surprised.
He knows Tesla's a monster. I like the cause distribution tab in Webull. It shows how many backholders are left around these pump and dumps. It can tell you how high round 2 for the pumps will go. Usually the bag holder is just waiting to get out.
Well, that
Cost
just means there's a new
distribution.
set of bag holders.
Mm-hmm. I'm telling you that you just pass on your back to somebody else. But he has, these guys have all sorts of disclosures on there. So I don't think that's possible.
Okay, Darth, you would or you did? Which one is it? Because if you would, that means you're not.
Mm. See, Boker's on the same idea with me with the frequency. It's all frequencies. That's what Nikola Tesla had discovered. It's like if your brain's like that. If you're always thinking negative thoughts, that's what your life is gonna be. Just pure negative shit. I would be surprised if Tesla goes to 800. Maybe this week. $47 still for AMC. We're still holding 47.
No, it doesn't look like we're going to get our fourth test.
206. I mean, we're still platforming off higher lows here, so I don't think it's too bad. But how well does this catalyst of the Labor Day numbers hold? That's my only question. Does it just come sinking back down? Do we hold 46, 47? We'll see.
Depends on how many people want to try and get out and with their money intact.
Biden on Thursday to lay out 6 prolonged strategy aimed at stopping spread of Delta. That's Thursday. Let's see
No, it
what
looks like
Sava's
Morant's
at.
went live. I just got to know that.
Sava, not bad.
Yep, Morant's is live. Except he's not in his chair.
We are going to end it here. Marantz is going live. You guys know where to find him. Marantz Rants on YouTube. We're going to be back tomorrow. GameStop earnings. Tomorrow is indeed Wednesday. So earnings tomorrow, baby. We're doing live stream. We're coming back power hour. Or actually close. We're coming back a little bit after close. Wednesday, right?
No, you're doing bell to bell, I heard.
No, the bell word doesn't exist in my vocabulary. Bell.
Pam beat you to it.
I don't think I've said that. With that being said,
later,
y'all. We are going to be back tomorrow. Oh, as we end the stream, the stocks are pulling back. Jim Cramer is watching the stream. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, Rob, for being on, and big day tomorrow.
Yep.
Peace out.
Later.